Hello, Malik here with Mechanic Reviews. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to reset oil service light for Honda CR-V 2016 to onward. Step number 1, make sure the ignition is on, and if your car has a stop-start switch, just press it twice quickly. Don't start the engine. Step number 2, press the knob as you can see on the display until it reads oil life sign on display. You can see your remaining oil life showing just 15%. Now press and hold the knob. Don't release it until display start blinking. Then release the knob for 5 seconds. Step number 3. Now again press and hold the knob. By doing this, service light blinking stop. As you can see your oil life sign showing 100%. Your service light has been reset. Thanks for watching guys. I will catch you in the next video.